myself and I, it's all I got in the end.
Hi best friends, welcome back to my channel. So since we are in this pandemic, I haven't really been uploading, so we're gonna have to change that. Okay, so this hair is from Cranberry Hair. They sent me this curly 26-inch wig. Now this wig has some crazy shrinkage, and I'm here for it though. So this wig does not have any combs. It is a full frontal wig, which means it has a 13x4 frontal, and it does not taper off. It does not have any combs, and it has adjustable straps. I will say this wig is about 22-inch circumference, so if you're about that, then this will fit you well. I'm about a 22 and a half, 23, so yeah, like it was a bit snug on me. So I am going to go in with my quick blue and my 30 volume developer, and I'm going to bleach my knots. I like to focus on the front of the hairline because that's where I want the knots to look less visible than the rest of the wig. So I am going to plaster that bleach onto my knots. Now I'm not going to tell you guys how long to keep the bleach on. You need to watch your processing. All right, so each processing might be different because of the type of hair you're using, the type of bleach you're using, the type of developer you're using, the temperature in your room. So just watch it. You want to get it to a light brown stage, not 613, because if you get it that light, you might cause a lot of shedding and balding. So you want a light brown, and then you want to go in and you want to tone it with purple shampoo. My favorite purple shampoo is Vanilla No Yellow. It's very violet, so it tones super quick. All right, so after I apply the bleach, I am going to go in and I am going to pull the hair that is laying on the actual hairline up, because I do not want that to be bleached. So that's exactly what I'm doing, just pinching the hairline from laying in the bleach so you won't have those hot roots. So after you let it process and you rinse out the bleach and tone the knots, this is what my wig looks like freshly dried. All right, so I am going to go in and pluck the hairline. As you can see, it is pre-plucked, so I did go in and pluck it a little bit more. These are my favorite tweezers to use. They are from Revlon. I will link them down in the description box because I feel like these give me the best results. Now when it came to this wig, I did pluck it. It really didn't need it, but I did go in for the sake of this video to just show you guys me plucking it. And because the wig was kind of snug, I had to make it fit me. So I ended up like really cutting into the lace to like form a hairline, because when you're gonna see at the like closer to the end of this video that the hairline was really on my forehead, and I have a low hairline on the side of my face. Like my hairline almost touches my eyebrow, so I really have to go and always customize my wigs in order for them to look very natural on me. And you're gonna see, like when I cut the lace off, it looked really like wiggy, but then like I just went in and, you know, fixed it and adjusted it, and it came out bomb. So yeah, usually this is why I like to make my own wigs versus wearing stock wigs like this, because I could really customize and custom fit the wig to myself. So I'm just gonna go in and pluck the hairline, and after I pluck the hairline, I'm just gonna apply her with my I actually use boat hold in this video. So after I did all of the plucking, this is what the hairline actually looked like. I was really impressed. The hair was super soft, and that's what the hairline looks like. You want the hairline to look a little jagged because it just looks more natural, but again, I did cut into the hairline, so all of that work that I did was literally for nothing. So I am going to take my bowl hold. That's what I'm using for this tutorial. And I like to take alcohol, and I'm going to clean around my hairline just so the bowl hold can have a better adhesion. And so I make sure I do that and remove all the makeup or whatever. If I'm not wearing makeup, just cleaning that area very thoroughly and very good, and making sure that I'm cleaning my fingertips too, because my fingertips does have oil on them. So I want to make sure that my fingertips are clean, because when I go in, like I said, I want a great adherence when I'm applying this wig. So I am gonna do the middle of my face, then a side, then a side, and I'm gonna do 2 layers just because I knew I wasn't gonna keep the wig on for a long time, and I didn't really want it to be super stuck down on my head. But 2 layers is definitely enough. It will definitely last me about a week if I was to wear this wig that long. So I do a thin layer, spread it out evenly, do another layer, and then I'll apply the lace down, and I'm gonna do that for the entire portion of my forehead. Now, if you guys want a super detailed video of me using bowl hold to apply my wigs, I have a lot of them, and I'll definitely link them down in the description box, or maybe at the end of this video. So once I have the lace laid down, I'm going to cut off the excessive lace with my razor. Sometimes I'll interchange from my eyebrow razor to some scissors, but majority of the time I'm using an eyebrow razor. And this is where you're going to see where it's kind of like the front of my hairline is kind of thick. Not right there, but like the right in the dead center of my forehead is going to be super thick. So I did go in and pluck that area, so you're going to see a huge difference from right here to the end of this video, because it just needed some work and it needed some extra plucking, because I cut off that extra plucking when I cut the lace. Alright, so I like to spray my hairline down with Got To Be Free spray and tie it down, and this is what the wig looks like. This is a trick that I've been doing thus far with my curly hair. I like to spray it with the free spray, and then I'll take my blow dryer and I will dry it so I could get some volume instead of actually cutting layers into this. It'll just, you know, dry up and just like give me that oomph that I am looking for. And I use the free spray when I'm letting my hair dry as well, because it'll keep my curls clumped together. It won't get as frizzy as fast, but sometimes I like a little frizz, you feel me? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Oh, this is what the back of the hairline looks like. A lot of you guys always ask me to show you that. So, hey, there, I did it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This hair is from Cranberry. If you're interested in this wig, this curl is a bomb. I will definitely say that. I will leave all the information to this wig down below in the description box. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section, and I will be there to answer them. Okay, best friends? And until next time, bye, you guys, and be safe out here. Wash your hands. Bye.